we're going to be doing a plan with me using the Labeled with Love Co. Make Your Own Jungle Kit. And my classic happy planner in Enjoy the Wild Side. And this is a planner that I just do spreads of with my favorite greenery kits, and I don't actually use them. I just do spreads and then keep them. So I am going to be planning January 14th to January 20th. So just excuse that. I know this is a bit of a strange concept, but it's something that I like to do. And yeah, please excuse in the background my children being rowdy as they are enjoying a sunny Sunday afternoon and are being quite loud. While I'm actually doing the layout of the stickers, though, I will speed it up and put it to music so you don't have to listen to them going on in the background, and so that you don't have to watch me while I think about where to place things. So you can see it's quite a large kit that you get from Labeled with Love Co. They definitely give you lots of options, and then I will show you again what I have left over once I've done my spread. So let's get started and see how it turns out. we go. So that is my finished spread in my classic Happy Planner using the Make Your Own Jungle kit from Labelled with Love Co. And I'll now show you what's left of the kit. And now this is doing a pretty much no white spread. So I mean, if you spaced it out a little bit more, you would most definitely have plenty for multiple kits. There is so much choice in the Labelled with Love Co kits that it's amazing. So there you are. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting again soon. And as always, happy planning!